Before we dive deeper into today's mechanism project, I want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, JLCCNC. So what does JLCCNC do? They take digital designs and turn them into real parts using CNC machining, milling, turning, EDM, and more, with great tolerances. They offer a wide variety of materials, from different metals to plastics, and multiple finishing options. What makes them compelling is affordable pricing. Their custom CNC parts can start from just $1. Fast delivery. Many orders can be completed in as little as 3 business days. And if you're a new user, they give you $70 in coupons to help you get started. And if you want to order, you can go to the top right corner of the screen. And you can order CNC machining, 3D printing parts, mechatronics parts, and even you can upload 3D models they can bring into life. So whether you need a prototype, a one-off part, or a small batch run, JLCCNC has the tools, speed, and pricing to make it work. So if you want precision, speed, and affordability in your CNC projects, definitely check out JLCCNC.com. I'll leave a link in the description for you.